Okay, so today we got another how-to video. This one's kind of a situation where I have an opportunity, so here's a video. This is how to plug a hole in your tire. Alright, so what you're going to need to patch a hole in your tire is you're going to need a patch kit. The one from Walmart will do just fine, a pair of pliers, and your tire. Now, to patch a hole in the tire, first you're going to find your screw, figure out where it's at. You can see my screw's right here, and this will work for the patch because the hole is in between the treads of the tire. Once you get a hole kind of down on the sidewall of the tire, it's a lot more difficult to patch, and it's a lot less likely to succeed long term. So what you do is you're going to get your pliers, pull out your screw. Short little self-tapper. Then your kit should come with a reamer to just ream the hole out. You're going to ream the hole till it's nice and round. So the smoother that hole is, easier it's going to be to put the plug in. There we go. Alright. Now, next up, you're going to grab your plug and your plug tool. You're going to want to use a whole plug per hole. And then, just going to thread your plug through the hole like a big sticky sewing needle. And then you want to throw some rubber cement on there and let it work as a glue. Now then, what you're going to do is you're going to take your ream out and you're going to shove your plug in there, try and get it as deep as you can. There we go. So I have to get it down almost all the way to the handle. And then, just gonna get a good grab on it. You're just gonna rip it out. It's like a band-aid. Right? Your plug should hold air. And it should last for the rest of the lifetime of the tire. Now, the last thing you're going to want to do is you're just going to trim the rubber down so it's flush with the tire. The easiest way to do this is just grab a razor blade or a knife, just cut away. there you go, and just as you drive on that, it will kind of flatten itself out, glue itself a little more. And that's how you patch a hole in a tire. If you guys want to see any other kind of how-to videos, just leave a comment in the description. Leave a comment and we'll try to get to it, kind of teach you guys how to work on your own cars and save yourself a little bit of money. Thanks for watching. This is the hardest part of these videos, is talking to myself. That's how you